Hi guys. Rather than trying to explain in writing my expectations for this assignment, I thought it'd be easier to make a quick little video. So I just wanted to kind of show you how you're going to do today's assignment. So what you have is a problem that's going to be in Google Drawings, and it's going to give you the context of the problem up here, and you're going to read that and understand where we're coming from. Then you've got a table with some information. So you've got your two of your components here, and you are going to drag your components where they go. Maybe the title goes here. Where does the title need to go? Does it need to go down here? Does it go here in the middle? That is up to you. You have to figure out where it is. And then you're going to have to give your graph a title. So when you're doing that, you're going to click on that, and you can type your title here. And then make sure that it's in the right place. Same thing with your labels. These are for your horizontal and vertical axes. You can decide where they need to go. And when you are putting one on the vertical axis, you can click on it, and there's a little button, a little circle up here. And if I hover over it, see I've got a cross, and I'm going to click on that, and then I can rotate it until it says 270. It's basically straight up and down. And then that way you can move it to your vertical axis. Another thing that you'll need to do is to put your interval on here. So you will need to create a text box, and then bring the text box down here, and I'm going to know what you're counting by. I can figure it out once you kind of put it on here, but I'm just going to kind of make it the same size, and then you can change it so that it's white. There we go. And so maybe I'm going to count by ones. So I'm going to just put 1, and I'm going to try to make it so that it lines up. Looks like if I do 3 spaces. So then if I zoom in a little bit, I can see that it lines up. I'm actually going to make this be without the grid lines. And I'm going to make it transparent, and that's going to make it seem a little bit better. And so that way I can actually even move it up a little bit so that they're close. And actually there it looks like they don't line up perfectly, but I'm not going to judge you based on that. If it doesn't line up perfectly, that's fine if they're a little bit off. So just do your best with that. And again, if you want to just label like 1 through 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I don't want to do 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10, but I want to get to 10. That would be perfectly fine, as long as you're using that consistent counting. The next thing you're going to do is fill in, fill in your ordered pairs. So using your table to write your ordered pairs, remember they have to have parentheses, the number for the first number, and then a comma, and then the second number. So you'll need to type all of those in, and then each point has the circle already created. So if I'm plotting this at the point 1, 3, whatever no, that's not what it actually says over there, then I can move it right there. And I'm going to do my best to try to make it on the circle, or on the little, like the intersection of the grids. However, if it's a little bit off, that's okay. But this is how you're going to do these problems. You have 2 of these. So this should take you a while, but I wanted to create things so that you're not having to necessarily create everything from scratch. You have the points already made for you, the boxes made for your title and your labels. Actually, I'll just go ahead and leave the box for your numbers on there as well, and then that way you can just edit it. But if you have any questions, hop in Zoom and ask away. Thanks, guys.